Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Volvo V50. This is a 2012 and I'm just changing the front wiper plates here. I've already changed the passenger side, now I'm doing the driver's side, so exactly the same procedure. These are the wiper plates I'm using. One is, so the driver's side is 26 inches and the passenger side is 20 inches. And I'm talking here in the UK where it's a right-hand drive. So if you're somewhere else, it might be the opposite. I'm not sure, but I'm focusing on this one because this is where we are. So basically, if you pull the arm towards you and you look closely here, you have this little like button here. So if you move the wiper blade like this and press that, you will be able to push it out. So you want to push it out that way, like so, and it should come out. Now be very careful that this doesn't spring back onto your windscreen, because this is metal here and it will crack your windscreen, guaranteed. Don't ask me how I know. And then you get your new one, flick it in there and it'll just click in there, and gently pull that down. So my wiper blade here is not broken, but this part, the blade here, actually it is maybe a little bit split there, just there, see? I noticed it was a bit weak on all this section. It's not split here, but it just wasn't wiping nicely, and that was right the center where I'm trying to look out to the road. So very annoying. Anyway, that's pretty much how you can do it. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.